Open the aluminum cover outside the control box. Remove the reserved sync light interface. Open the control box. Unscrew the screws. Remove the fixed cover. Take one blue wire and one brown wire respectively. Tighten the screws after removing it. Make sure that the blue and brown removed wires are from the same power cord. Loosen the screws and remove the reserved gutter light wires. Install the RGB lighting interface. First, unscrew the light strip connector. Strip off the outer sheath of the electric wire and the outer coverings of the 4 thin wires inside it. Stuff the connection port of the light strip into the pre-reserved hole. Take out the RGB light control box. Connect the 4 thin wires to the control box in sequence according to their colors. First one, black wire. The second one, brown wire. The third one, colorless wire. The fourth one, blue wire. Insert the 2 wires that were removed earlier into the other end of the RGB control box. Brown wire, positive electrode. Blue wire, negative pole. Connect the RGB light strip connector to the controller connector.